Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting here, try to subscribe and turn on the notification. Okay, today we talk about Deriv Multipliers Arbitrage trading software / course install now plus 50 to plus 500% profit per day. You really need to understand why I'm selling this right now, because a lot of people have lost money so much. So you need a system that works, okay? And arbitrage is something that is in existence, but not everyone know it. That's why I'm putting this out in the market. Okay, you need to purchase this now. Currently, the cost of getting this right now has risen from $60 to $120. It was $60 before, now it is $120. But if you can forward this video to me in my Telegram channel, like if you can join my Telegram channel and DM me and forward this video and telling me you want to get this arbitrage product, the software and the courses, I'll give you 25% discount on the $120, because there is no change. Once it has risen from $60 to $120, there is no change. The first 100 people that will actually DM me with this video we get 25% discount, right? After that, the rest will pay $120, and in future the price might go as high as $200 or $240, depending on the demand from the people. This is the course, right? This is course in the private channel, YouTube channel. Actually, this is unlisted, meaning that only those that have access to this link will be able to watch this video. This is the arbitrage course. It is private right now. Once you pay, these videos will be forwarded to you, and then an ebook will also be forwarded to you. So you need an ebook, and then you need this video. The ebook will tell you what you expect in the video, and the video will show you the practicals, and we start making money right away. Okay, I don't have much to say. We are just trying to help the community. These are there, but nobody will tell you. That's why I'm making it so easy for you people. 25% discount on the first 100 people that will join, and like sending me this video, I will know that you are now serious about this. I'll give you 25% discount once you are among the first 100. Okay. The rest we pay 120%. $120. Or if the price suddenly change in future, then it become a kind of more stressful to them to pay. But you can't change price. Once price is this, you can't just start changing it. Once you know what you want, no matter what the price is, you have to pay for it to get what you want. Okay. There is another opportunity going on in my channel right now. If you really want to become, like, you want to make money, don't want to be trading, but you want to make money, then you have to actually become an affiliate. If somebody will say, how many subscribers do I have to run affiliate marketing? That is not the secret. Okay, I will teach you how to buy members. You have to buy members on Telegram, and you are going to convert them to a multi-million-dollar asset by giving them value. Okay, a lot of people are looking for this. Many people have lost trading binary options. Maybe they are trading IP option, they are trading pocket option, but they need something that works. So Deriv have provided such platform. Okay, so start taking the advantage of this and change your life. Bye for now.